Here we have my JBL Flip 5 with this ripped passive radiator, and I tried to fix it. Here is my glue. As you can see, I have some photos on the community with this radiator ripped, and this is okay. I want to replace it, but it's really expensive for the value for the speaker. As you probably know, my speaker also have a black coil speaker woofer. Actually, driver from it have black coil, and the board is a little toasted. But let's see how it sounds now. Okay, now it's also my desk. A good idea, but I'm really interested to see how this sounds now and how progressive. Okay, turn on. Somehow a little stuck. I probably won't use progressive mode on this speaker anymore. Don't actually completely destroy it.
por seguro para olvidarme de ella. En serio que no disfruto recuerdos en mi cabeza, las aventuras y las travesuras que hacíamos todo el tiempo. Tú me besabas y me acariciabas, siempre me decías te quiero. En la mano una modelo bebiendo tragos sin miedo. Mis compas me dicen ya pasó y que te olvidé, pero yo no puedo. Yo ya no vuelvo contigo, pero no niego te extraño. En mi corazón prohibido, pero mi cuerpo quiere acción. Siempre en tu casa, escondidas de tu ama, hacíamos cosas que no. Tú me besabas y me acariciabas, siempre me decías te quiero. En la mano una modelo bebiendo tragos sin miedo. Mis compas me dicen ya pasó y que te olvidé, pero yo no puedo.
Tell me what you wanna, then you gonna go and change your mind. I be stunning on you when you say it, then you feeling fine. Tell me what you wanna, then you gonna go and change your mind. I be stunning on you when you say it, then you feeling fine. Oh, yeah. Like you feel. Oh, yeah. Like you feel. Oh, yeah. Like you feel. Oh, yeah. Fuck your friendship, I don't need that friendship. Down to your fuck your friendship, I don't need that friendship. Never say what you wanna do. Forget again. Guess you tryna say it to my friends. Then you say you forget again. Oh, forget again. Guess you tryna say it to my friends. Then you say you forget again. Oh, he ain't tryna be shady, I don't think you know. And no. And take up in the morning, never see you home, no, we on another motivate. He ain't tryna be shady, I don't think you know. And no. And take up in the morning, never see you home, no, we on another motivate. Oh, yeah. Like you feel. Oh, yeah. Like you feel. Oh, yeah. Like you feel. Oh, yeah. Fuck your friendship, I don't need that shit. Down to your fuck your friend shit. I don't need that friend shit. Never say what you wanna do. Fuck your friendship. I don't need that friendship. Fuck your friendship. I don't need that friendship.
Them not go feel violent. Accelerate. Them voltage. Tear down them wall. Tear down them wall. Then man no wanna bed. Them not go feel violent. Yeah. Them voltage. Tear down them wall.
Start making a buzzing noise. Probably
Headphone activist.
this one.
89.5 FM KZCT Bay Area, baby. Let's get it.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Curtis J. the Prince here. I got a brand new banging ass track from the homie the Headphone Activist. It's an OzCat Radio KZCT exclusive. I hope you like it. Let's get it.
Oops. Them not go feel violent. Accelerate. Them voltage.
Tear down them wall, tear down them wall. Then man no wanna bed. Them not go feel violate. Yeah, them full jet. Tear down them wall, tear. Man no wanna bed. Them full jet. Man no wanna bed. Them full jet.
Probably the best part from this video.
Man no wanna bed. Them full jet. Man no wanna bed. Them full jet. Man no wanna bed. Them full jet.
Okay, this
Man no wanna bed.
weird noise.
Them full jet.
What the fuck is this?
Just like that, yeah. Everybody where I'm from like that, yeah. Can't wait to get up with me just to ride through the hood. By themself, I'm gonna hook some woofers up to it. If your motor running good and your 808 bumping, that's all that really matters. You can't tell a nigga that. Never mind what you ride when it's dark outside and it's broads outside. You just park outside. Hey, pop your trunk and put your music up loud. Now watch them crowd around and they dig a nigga down. And my beat down low and my top dead back. Now I cut it to the max like I never said that. Hey, people see me in the street now. They wave at me and they ask me turn my beat down. Turn my beat down. Turn my beat down. I tell them never, I forever let my beat pound. Hey, homie ask me turn my beat down. He let me go, I turn the corner, turn my beat down. Turn my beat down, I won't turn my beat down. I tell them never, I forever let my beat pound. When my girl ride with me, gotta cover my seat. Cause that thing go to sleep when I cut up my beat. Bumping something, grab hustle in a 96 trouble. Even amplify my tweeter so my music ain't muffled. Hey, that's in trouble if you pull up next to me. When it's really up high, you can't hear yourself think. Cause my speaker box the biggest drunk sound like a midget trying to get up out of there. 15 stay in it. Coming from a distance, out of everybody vision. It don't matter what I'm playing, I make everybody listen. See them turning round, running, I get so loud. Ears ringing all day, cause my shit's so loud. Hey, people see me in the street now. They wave at me and they ask me turn my beat down. Turn my beat down, turn my beat down. I tell them never, I forever let my beat down. Hey, homies ask me turn my beat down. He let me go, I turn the corner, let my beat down. Turn my beat down, won't turn my beat down. I tell them never, I forever let my beat down. Hey, look to the right and my shit's so high. People mad, I don't see them cause I'm sitting so high. Looking at me like they stupid, they can't hear their own music. But ain't nothing they can do, they just gotta listen to it. Hey, Jan in my trunk just like Young Joe. I love that song, cut the bass so low. We be setting off alarm, sound like I dropped bomb. Bumping trick, www.thug.com. R.I.P. Pimp C, number 3, right dirty. On that verse I cut it up, and make sure everybody heard it. Chevy swerving, bumping Young Jesus. I don't want him now, never believe it when you hear me say I got it in my town. Trap bumping OB, just a hot boy. Old lady on the porch, Hollywood, they know. Hey, people asking me to cut it off. I roll my window down and tell them it ain't nothing, dawg. Hey, people see me in the street now. They wave at me and they ask me turn my beat down. Turn my beat down, turn my beat down. I
I tell him never, ever, ever let my beat down. Hey, homies ask me turn my beat down. He let me go, I turn the corner, let my beat down. Turn my beat down, won't turn my beat down. I tell him never, ever, ever let my beat down.